first time doing a movie, a Christmas movie together as a family, playing a family. So, ano yung challenges or ano yung difference when you're acting with your family, playing a family versus playing a family with other people?
Did you have to act differently?
Paano ba? Madaling mahirap. Bakit ka masasabing madaling mahirap? Madali because we're very comfortable with each other. Mahirap kasi minsan nahihirapan na akong i-separate yung character ko as kay Carmina. Tapos meron pa kaming show na Hating Kapatid. So yung role ko pa as Rosel. So parang nalilito na ako. Sino na nga ba ako? Tapos simultaneous pa namin ginagawa. Nagka-taping kami for Hating Kapatid. Nag-shoot kami for this, Reconnect. So, as a family din kami dun. So parang minsan kailangan ko na, wait. Nasaan tayo ngayon? Anong role ko ngayon? Ano nga ba ako? So, not naman that confusing, pero kinda. Pero I like also the challenge. Gusto ko sa yung challenge ko yung sarili ko, I don't want to be complacent. So, madaling mahirap. And wala akong complaint whatsoever kasi I'm very thankful and grateful dahil kahit nasa trabaho ako, kasama ko pa rin yung pamilya ko. Kasi ang hirap sa mga working moms, di ba? Or kahit sa mga daddies na kailangan umalis ng bahay to work, malayo sa pamilya. Ito, may bonus factor na kasi hindi ko na kailangan mag-report doon sa GC namin na nasa work na ako, nasa ganito. Yung, kasi nga magkakasama na kami. So, it's not every day na nangyayari na ganito. So, we're very lucky. I must say that we're lucky and thankful dahil nabigyan kami ng ganitong opportunity.
Yeah, actually, the challenge is going to the set. It's not the acting on the set. Yung challenge is going to the set dahil may kanya-kanya kaming ritual sa umaga. Sabay-sabay yung whole time. So kahit pwede kaming sabay-sabay pumunta ron, iba-ibang sabay-sabay rin kami. Oo, kasi hindi kami sabay-sabay pumunta. Mauna, iiwan ka talaga. Because lalo na si Hina talagang on the dot yan. Or mas maaga pa sa on the dot yan. So, yun yung pinaka-challenge sa amin. So, for me, well, I guess this family is very blessed when it comes to working as a family kasi yung commercials, nakagawa na kami. And then yung Hating Kapatid as a telenovela sa GMA, now it's a movie. So sabi ko nga, kompleto na. So when I get pag tumanda na talaga ako, meron na akong panonoorin na pamilya namin na magkakasama talaga. So that's a blessing.
Manila?
Sorry, I'll just add to that para ibang perspective naman para sa amin ni Cassie. Siguro, more than anything, very comfortable kami sa isa't isa. Pero we just treated it as if co-actors lang sa industry. So we just respect, that goes a long way na you just respect the job, you respect your co-actors, and of course you respect each other's time, and that will go a long way. So naging madali siya.
Cassie, you wanna add? Sabi niya, really?
Nag-react siya kasi, actually, madali makasama sila, Papa Z, sila Mama. Madali lang, pero si Cassie medyo nahihirapan ako. Kaya nag-react siya. Joke lang.
No, for me kasi, working with my family growing up, we've been doing commercials, so we come as we are sa work. Ito kasi yung first time, well, besides our teleserye na Hating Kapatid, ito yung first time na we go to work with a role to play. So we are not ourselves anymore. So iba na yung diskarte namin sa set. We have our own routines and rituals and whatever. We work very differently, all four of us. So parang we got to meet each other in a different light, in a way, parang ganun. And yun nga, like what my mom said, it's quite challenging. And if komportable si Mavi, ako personally na-pressure ako, or ewan ko, medyo weird siya na, okay, mommy ko to, tatay ko to, actually okay ka lang, chill ka lang naman eh. Pero parang, OMG, tatay ko to, OMG, mommy ko to, parang I need to shake this feeling na, okay, hindi ko siya, like magulang, role lang to, this is just a role, I need to get back to the professional side of it. So that's the challenging part. But I love working with my family, and this is a once in a blue moon opportunity that I'm very, very, very grateful for. One for the books, for sure. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. The second question is for Blythe. Hi, Blythe. So you're known more for doing heavy drama or romance, and then parang I've never seen you in a Christmas movie. It's
Yes.
more. What did you like most about the experience and about your role?
Actually, ito na nga po talaga eh. Ito na po ang entering my comedic era ngayon.
Totoo, comedy ka dito.
Sabi ko kay Direk talaga, sabi ko, thank you so much. Ito na po yun. Kilala niyo po talaga ako na lagi ako pinapaiyak sa mga teleserye, lagi pong heavy drama. So ito po yung first na light role ko talaga. So I'm really happy. Ang gaan niya. And sana makita niyo din ako in a different light sa
Right,
movie na to.
right.
Happy lang ako dito, guys. Although pinaiyak pa rin ako ni Direk, hindi niya pa rin pinakawalan. Binigyan niya pa rin ako ng cry.
Kailangan pa rin daw yun.
Hindi ang saya kasi hinayaan lang talaga ako ni Direk to be myself.
Okay.
Narinig niyo yun?
No, we didn't.
Ako.
Say it again.
Panik, Direk, sabihin mo ulit. O sabihin mo ulit na nakamay.
Nakakatawa siya.
Ayan.
Ito na yan, guys. Thank you.
Alright, last, Manila.
Okay, my last question is for Vance. Vance, ano yung first reaction mo nung inalok sa'yo yung role ng pare, and then how did you prepare and everything?
First reaction ko is kung paano mo siya gagampanan yung role, kung pwede bang mas jolly siya as priest or yung mga seryosong priest. Pero thankfully, si Direk habang nag-shoot kami, nung una kasi may ginawa na ako, nabuo ko na yung character ko. Pero on the set, iba yung gusto ni Direk. So, buti na lang may training tayo sa teatro at saka sa TV. Nag-adjust ko siya ng kahit pa paano nung panahon na shoot namin yung isang eksena doon na nag-humili ako.
Alright, thank you, Vance. Thank you, Manila. Maraming salamat. Before we pass the mic to the next na magtatanong, I have a question first. Direk Jade, ano yung mga... Reconnect talks about what? Forgiveness? Family connection? Ano yung mga main points?
Lahat. Yun nga yung sanang enjoy ng mga tao dito. No? I think everybody will pick up a different thing pag pinanood nila yung movie. So, meron siyang isang overall, pero marami siyang maliliit na topics and themes.
Like?
Na, well, binanggit mo na, may forgiveness, may
Okay.
friendship,
Okay.
may family, may love, meron justice, meron ding individual goals, personal fulfillment, no? Merong truth, merong honesty, merong faith. No, so I think the Christmas kasi is a time to reflect on many things in our lives. No? I don't know kung ganun din kayo. Pero pansin ko siya with my family, people tend to reflect during Christmas about themselves and the people that they love.
Alright,
So,
kaya ako tinanong yon, nilatag ko lang ng ganon because my next question is for everybody. Sino outside your family, sino yung gusto nyong ma-reconnect with this Christmas? You can explain, you cannot explain, but you have to mention a name. So, who do you want to reconnect with?
Ayun.
Wait, isa-isa yan. Don't worry, Calvin, isa-isa natin yan.
Dire-diretso lang.
From Dom up to Gerald. Let's start with Dom.
Wait lang, ako muna.
Ay, wow! Ikaw agad-agad,
Kasi
ha?
baka maubos pagdating sa akin eh.
Agad.
Baka maubos pagdating sa akin. Alam mo, MJ, genuinely, truthfully, I want to reconnect with myself.
So myself is
ang pangalan
already...
is Gerald.
So myself is already taken. Okay, si Gerald.
Yeah, so ako na yan, sa akin na yan.
Specifically this Christmas, but
Yes.
someone you just want to reconnect with.
Yes, this Christmas. Kasi sabi nga ni Direk J, this Christmas, the Christmas season is, the season of perpetual hope. It's a season of forgiveness, of love, of friendship. And your movie talks about it, di ba? So, sino yung gusto nyo ma-reconnect with this Christmas? Go ahead, Blythe. Hawak mo na yung mic.
Respectfully, I don't have anyone na I still want to reconnect with because I'm still connected with everyone na
You wanna be with?
I want to be with.
Okay.
So, if I kind of like disconnected with a person, masaya na ako sa kasama ko sa Christmas. So, yun pahaba yung sagot ko pero wala.
Okay, good.
Lahat na kasama ko ngayong Pasko ay lahat ng minamahal ko sa buhay ko.
Okay. Dom, ikaw na, we move to you.
For me, reconnect with my best friend. Kasi may pagka-misunderstanding kami recently, so medyo not in good terms kami. So hopefully this Christmas, maayos na.
It's a good time to do that, di ba? Raph, ikaw.
Medyo gaya-gaya kayo doon, pero best friends. Kasi nung high school, meron akong parang core group of friends. And apparently, nung nag-work na kami, hindi na kami masyado nakapag-usap. So I think this is the best time for us to reconnect.
Ganda. Alexa.
Ako pa siguro want to reconnect with the name Paolo. He's my real dad and I would love to reconnect with him.
Nice. Kokoy.
Ako ba? Ako, hindi, same din kay Blight kasi wala naman akong kumbaga lahat ng konektado ngayon, okay kami lahat. So, naisip ko lang siguro yung mga naka-ice-ice water ko nung bata ako kasi nakalimutan ko na yung pangalan nila
Mga childhood buddies
yun. Yung panahon wala pang internet, di ba? So, shoutout sa inyo. Gusto ko ma-reconnect.
Angel, ikaw.
Ito po bata. Well, ako, I really choose my circle po kasi. So, and I keep the people that I love. Same with Blight. So, I don't usually disconnect with people. Kasi, yun nga, I value them so much. So, I don't think I have anyone in particular na gusto kong makareconnect. Kasi wala naman din akong someone na hindi ko okay with. Hindi, Coco. Yun na yun.
Thank you, Angel. Kelvin.
Okay.
May ganon?
Nagasigaw
Okay.
And then, sa akin, agree ako kay sinabi ni Jen. Kasi, madalas kasi tayong occupied, no? And yung Christmas, yung masasabi natin bilang nasa industriya tayo na makakasama natin yung mahal natin sa buhay, pamilya natin, o sino mamahalaga sa atin. Gusto kong mag-reconnect sa sarili ko kasi madalas akong detached sa pamilya ko. And dahil yun sa sarili ko, sa ginagawa ko, sa mga choices ko, and I want to find some peace of mind kasi maraming nangyayari. And yung reconnection na yun, I think, yun yung kulang sa akin this Christmas. And yun yung kailangan.
Alright, thank you, Kelvin. Vance, ikaw?
Siguro sa akin, para maiba lang yung mga dating naging aso ko. Kasi parang nung time na elementary ako, tapos may aso ako, parang ang saya-saya ng, when you look back, parang ang saya-saya, sarap sa pakiramdam, na may kalaro ka. Kaya yun po yung siguro.
Ganda, good answer. Thank you. Mavi?
Siguro...
Teka, may ano daw sabi?
Connected na kami. Siguro sasabihin ko, lola ko, dahil siya yung natitirang grandparent ko na lang. And I realized with certain circumstances that happened recently that people, your loved ones, lalo na yung older generation, they're only getting older by the day. So, I want to reconnect with my grandma kasi I've been so busy. Siyempre, during my free days, I choose to rest. So, ayun. Sana this Christmas, I get to see her more often.
Nice. Cassie?
Ako naman, I think it would be a handful of people. Alam niyo naman na, there are times in our life na we disconnect with people, but eventually, if they're meant to be a part of our lives, they come back. So ito I feel like this is the season where the people I've disconnected with, reconnect ulit kami this season. So those handful, reconnecting with them currently.
Nice, ganda. Soren? Z?
Nag-iisip ako, dami kong pwede sabihin, pero...
Go ahead. Huwag mo na i-filter yan. Huwag mo na i-filter.
Siguro ano na lang yung... actually, I have also an answer yung dog. Siguro ako that route yung dog. As a kid, actually teenager, so wala ka bang alam. Walang social media na, be kind to animals, mga gano'n. So, I was cruel to that dog. Ayoko na yung tuloy, maiiyak lang ako. Yeah, magkaiba tayo, bro. I was Yeah, it was old. It was a poodle. So I wanted to have a new dog, but hindi ako pwede mag-alaga ng isang aso hanggang hindi mawala itong isang aso. So, yeah, for the longest time, hanggang ngayon, dala-dala ko yun actually. Yeah, yun. So, sometimes, yung mga asong alaga ko before, pag hindi tumatagal, feeling ko I'm being punished for that, for being cruel to that poodle na hindi ko dapat ginawa. So yun, hanggang ngayon dala-dala ko yung ano na yan. So yan, pasensya na.
Mina? Thank you, Z.
May additional question si Tita. Ano daw ang ginawa niya? Sabi ko, I don't want to know. Okay, I want to reconnect with two people. My mom and my dad, but they're both not here, so I don't know how I'll reconnect with them. So, pero since yun yung question mo, yun sana. I mean, perfect and especially, sana nga meron kahit sandali lang every Christmas, kahit 1 hour lang, just to be with them, just to reconnect with them. Yun.
Thank you, Mina. Charlie?
Alam ko sinabi mong bawal family, pero sila talaga kasi hindi kami magkakasama basically. Nasa US kasi silang lahat. So, miss na miss ko na talaga yung pamilya ko. Like, yung gusto ko silang mahawakan talaga, mayakap talaga. Kasi, lagi kami magkakausap sa, I mean, thank you talaga din sa internet. Magkakausap kami lagi sa video call, ganyan. Pero iba pa din yung makakwentuhan mo sila harap-harapan. Yung masabi mo yung mga problema mo harap-harapan. And iba yung comfort na nabibigay nila, lalo kung physically.
Do you have plans this Christmas to go there? Busy?
Okay, mahirap.
May reconnect.
Pero siguro kapag lahat natapos na siguro yung work and magkaroon ng bakanteng time talaga na mahaba, sobrang gusto ko pumunta sa US.
Okay. Tita Glo, ikaw, who do you want to reconnect with?
When I'm connected to everyone, baka yung mga may utang sa akin. Yun na yun.
Marami ba, tita?
Somehow, a little, not so much. But I'm connected to everyone eh.
Right.
So easy now with the cellphone.
Correct.
Kahit maisip mong bigla,
Tawag agad.
Okay.
Maraming salamat for gamely answering that question. Sino gusto next na magtanong? Romel, ikaw na? You wanna ask a question? Dali na, Diyos ko naman. Sayang naman yung presence mo dito sa event. Microphone please, kay Romel Gonzalez.
Yes, hello. Siguro kung sino na lang yung merong Christmas na hindi nyo makakalimutan. Pwede napakasaya o masakit.
Sino
Christmas na hindi nyo makakalimutan, pwede masaya, masakit.
Siyempre, when I'm with all my children, that's the most important. Kasi noon, when the kids are at home, before I go to the big family party, I give them their gifts. So each child was different. Like sina Isabel, I write a map kung saan ko papadala, and then they follow the map, the house. Finally, I got her a bike. It was on the tree. Okay? And my other son had the biggest gift. Mga 3 days na, excited siya. Tapos finally, binuksan na niya. Tapos it was a computer chair. And then sabi niya, computer chair? My Christmas gift? Parang na-shock siya. Why that? Di ba? Wala pa siyang computer. And then my other daughter was a dog that she really loved for mga 2 days. Afterwards, ikaw nang bahala dyan. Di ba? Okay.
Tita Glo. Anybody else?
Follow up lang, Tita Glo. Anong ginawa niya doon sa computer chair? Wala naman sa computer.
Wala. Siyempre, he has to say, thank you, I love you, mommy. Pero makita mo sa mukha niya.
Puzzle.
Why this? When was that I give you?
Sino pa yun namang masakit?
Joel, so down. Masakit o masaya? Unforgettable Christmas.
I guess for me, siguro yung childhood Christmas ko, yung very complete yung family, ang daming pagkain, and then yung mga presents, kahit yung mga remote control na cars, or yung mga pellet guns, tapos makikipaglaro ako with my cousins and my friends. So it was just the perfect Christmas time.
Si Mina na madalas pumapaiyak pag ini-interview ko, meron bang unforgettable or sad Christmas?
Ikaw daw, sa'yo daw, unforgettable Christmas.
Sorry, natupa rin kasi kami sa aso.
Hindi.
I'm so sorry,
Ayan,
hindi
sis-
makakapupon si tita sa aso.
Mina, since madalas kitang mapaiyak pag in-interview kita, meron ka bang sad Christmas na hindi mo kakalimutan? Or happy Christmas?
Definitely walang sad. I refuse to be sad on Christmas Day or sa New Year. Ayoko maging sad. Siguro, wala talaga akong specific na Christmas year or day or ano na masabi. Kasi nga, lahat ng Christmases namin, lahat ng New Year celebration namin, for me, laging memorable at masaya. Kasi, it's being with your family eh. Hindi lang kaming immediate family, pero with my siblings and their respective families. So, lagi kasi kami yung nag-host ng Christmas and New Year. So, Legazpi and Villaruel, laging nasa bahay namin. So, it's always memorable, it's always fun. You know, just being with your family na kumakain lang kayo, kwentuhan lang. Perfect na yun para sa amin. So, every Christmas and New Year.
Who else daw?
Yeah.
Z.
Yeah, throwback tayo. Mga 1980s siguro to or yeah. Siyempre pag bata ka noon, pag malapit na, caroling na, di ba? So yung mga lata, bubutasin mo na yan, lalagyan mo ng plastic, gawin mo ng tambol. Tapos yun, magka-caroling na kayo, maliliit kayo, may mga uhog kayo, ganyan. May mga libag sa leeg, caroling. Tapos yung kanta nun, I'm sure hindi nila alam yung kanta.
Sa may bahay.
O hindi, pag kumanta ka, walang binigay. Salamat, salamat, pwet yung may lamat, salamat. Tapos boom, takbuhan na kami. Sure. Yung mga nakakamiss dati ngayon, wala eh.
May nakapag-caroling ba dito sa mga bahay-bahay? Blythe, Charlie, Alexa. Hello. Lalo ka na Coco eh, di ba?
Ako may share ako kasi sa amin dati sa Laguna pa to. Pag papalapit na yung Pasko, nakakaroon na basta pag December, gusto niya November pa eh. Sabi,
okay
diba?
aga.
Kami patawad kasi araw pa ng batayan, idol, hindi pa yan. Pag December na, nangangaroling na ako. May isang beses, sinutusan akong bumili ng mantika. Oil po. Oil, sorry.
Cooking oil po.
Sorry.
Grabe, Carmina, mantika, hindi mo alam. Nakakaloka ka, social na masyado.
Inutusan ako bumili inutusan po bumili ng cooking oil, yung tigpa 5 pesos, yung nasa sachet ka. True. Yan po. Ngayon, naglalakad po papuntang tindahan, nahulog yung pambili ko, yung 5 ko, nahulog sa kanal. Na-stress ako. Tapos na-realize ko, bigla ako naisip, Pasko nga, nangaroling ako. So, nag-ipon pa ako ng tanghali tapat para lang may pambili ako ng mantika. Wala, share ko lang.
Para mabawi. O habang meron bang sad? Baka merong sad Christmas? That, like, life? May na-encounter ka bang sad Christmas?
Sad, pero this is an unforgettable Christmas ko when I was 15 kasi yun yung last Christmas ko with my grandfather. So, super memorable sa akin yun kasi yun yung last Christmas memory ko with him. And ever since the man, it has never been complete.
The same.
It has never been the same. Yes.
Romel?
Yeah.
Okay ka daan?